In this video, I am going to show you delete screenshot on Android phone easy way. So let's get started. For example, if you want to take a screenshot on your phone, but however, if this screenshot not be choice your, so to remove it, don't panic. This is very easy way to remove them. To do that, simply open the default gallery app on your phone. After the gallery app is open, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you can see various options. Find the album tab, click on it. After that, you can see all of the folder listed there. Look for the screenshot folder. Once you found them, tap to open it. After the page is open, here you can see all of the screenshot listed there. Simply find the exact screenshot if you want to delete your phone. For example, I am delete recently take screenshot, so long press it. After that, look at the bottom menu bar here, tap on the delete button, then confirm by tap, move to trash, and automatically remove the screenshot on your main gallery app. However, if you decide to delete multiple screenshots at one time, don't panic. This option is available. To do that, simply long press the first of all screenshot. After that, manually select the another multiple if you want to delete them. Once you successfully select it, tap on the delete button at the bottom, then confirm by tapping move to trash, and automatically remove the screenshot on your main gallery app. But remember, this is not be permanently delete on your phone. If you decide to also permanently delete on your phone, simply tap on the back arrow or simply swipe the back button to go back to the previous page, then click on the menu button. After that, select trash or recycle bin. Here you can see all of the screenshot or video listed there. Simply tap on the three dots icon at the top menu bar. After that, choose empty, then confirm by tap delete, and permanently delete everything in the trash folder on your phone. And that's it, how you can easily delete screenshot on your Android phone permanently. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video. Also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.